What's going on, guys? Thanks for watching. Keep calm and game on. Finally got my new Lectric XP 2.0. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, it looks pretty nice. I unboxed it. Had a lot of wrapping paper and things keeping it secure in there. Took me a little while to actually get it out of the box because I wasn't sure like if I just pull it out or if I like take apart the box completely. Because it's a pretty beefy bike. It's like 70 pounds. But I just ended up just pulling it out. It did come a little bit damaged, like the box did have a hole in it. I'm not going to blame the company for that because, FedEx is the one who shipped it. And all in all, everything was in there for the most part. I didn't see anything that was missing. But yeah, I was a little bit banged up. But FedEx, it happens. A lot of people shipping stuff. So, but the bike seems like it's in okay shape. I don't see any big scratches or anything. The thing I did notice, and I actually called customer service because of it, is the battery was pre-installed in here, okay? So this is where the battery goes. It was pre-installed, but this is a folding e-bike, so it can unfold, and then there's a little latch on this side. See if you can see it there. There's a little latch here. So you basically, it comes folded in the box, and you have to unfold it. Well, when I tried unfolding it, it wouldn't unfold all the way because the battery was not lining up with the little prong things that are inside of this compartment, so it wouldn't allow me to close it all the way. So I reached out to customer service. They said that they're going to send me like a little shim type thingy, which I think is just kind of tape that kind of raises the battery up, so like the prongs will line up better, so then I should be able to close it. I've read that usually fixes the problem, and when I contacted customer service and explained the situation, they automatically knew what the problem was. So that's going to get here in like a week or so. They said it's not super complicated to install. I think it's just kind of like some foam tape that you put on the battery underneath it, and it kind of raises it up. So we'll see if that works. I did try out the gears and stuff. That seemed to work well. The tires, I pumped those up the same night I got them. They're still holding air. I don't see them leaking or anything. I did notice that the brakes are kind of rubbing though, because when I'm like riding or kind of just moving the bike, there's a little bit of rubbing. So I think the brakes need to be adjusted because the rotors are kind of hitting the brake pads. So I'm probably going to take that to a bike shop and get those looked at, because I think it's only like around 15 bucks per brake to get those aligned right, because I don't want to be riding it and then wearing down the brake pads, because those are just going to cost more to replace. So I'm going to do that before I actually ride it around, because like I said, I can't even put the battery in, so I can't test out any of the electronic side of stuff. I thought this was cracked at first, but it's just like a little scratch on the screen protector thing that they ship with it. It's just like a little thing you peel off. I think I'm probably just going to leave that on to help with the protection. But yeah, so far, I mean, we'll see. I don't know if it works yet, but for the most part, it went together pretty easily, aside from it not shutting because of the battery. But hopefully we'll get that figured out, and then I can update you when that happens. So yeah, looking forward to riding it. Got here in like a week and a half, 2 weeks. It was like, I think 4 days past the date that it was supposed to actually get here, according to the FedEx shipping tracking label thing. But yeah, so far, I mean, we'll see. We'll see. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching. If you want any more videos like this, be sure to hit that thumbs up. And if you got any questions or comments, or if this problem has happened to you with the battery not aligning correctly, let me know in the comment section, and I will try to answer your questions. Until next time, thanks for watching, and remember, keep calm and game on. Toodles!